Hi, this is Tejasvi Prakash, and today I'm going to give you a fashion fix for every situation in your life.
Fashion Fix with Tejasvi Prakash. Hello, hello.
Hi.
Thank you so much that you've given us time today to
Yes.
do this. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna give you situations in life.
Okay.
Okay? अब उस situation के मुताबिक what would be your ideal look?
Okay.
Situation number 1.
Okay.
You are shooting till late.
Okay.
Okay? जहाँ पे आपका ओवर टाइम चल रहा है.
हाँ.
Does it sound relatable?
Very. Very.
But you have to quickly get ready and leave for a dinner date with Karan. What would you wear? Quickly.
With Karan, I wouldn't really try very hard, you know.
हाँ.
But I would kind of want to look hot.
Hot.
Yeah. Because Karan likes me looking hot with him only.
Wow.
Yeah. Nowhere else. So I think let's go with red because he likes me in red anyway. This is also pretty hot. I think this is the front and
Yeah.
this is the back.
Yeah.
Oh, it's actually a very hot dress, huh? I would actually, truly, totally wear this. I'm not even kidding because it's red. It's my color.
But you wear a lot of colors.
I do, but
But you
like
also
with
look very
Karan,
good in
he likes me in red.
Red.
Yes, so that's why.
Red.
And this is a hot dress.
Second situation, you have a whole lazy Sunday to yourself.
Okay.
But you are planning now what to do. Okay? So you have decided, you have to tell us where would you go and what did you do? Like what do you want to do? What would you wear for that event? It's on you.
One of my most favorite things to do is a Sunday brunch.
Oh.
I love Sunday brunches. So like probably like a nice brunch with my girls. I'll probably wear this. I like this.
This one?
Yeah. I really like this.
Yeah, it's a quad.
It's actually in my size also. It's extra small. I'm gonna take it.
Please take it.
I am.
Situation number 3. You are
Yeah.
heading for a weekend getaway.
Oh.
With only a carry-on luggage.
Oh.
Okay. Now, what are the 3 versatile pieces from here that you would pick? कि कुछ भी आ जाए, चल
We're good
जाएगा.
to go.
Yeah.
I think I'll take this. Just like for a party outfit. But I don't know. I would not wear this.
Okay. You
Inside
would wear it without.
I'd just wear it without it.
Okay.
Just like a bralette inside.
Yeah.
Some nice shorts to go with it.
Shorts.
Yeah, nice shorts.
Okay.
Because if it's a weekend getaway, it's most probably
Awesome.
Goa. So I'm guessing Goa hai. So I can wear this and like shorts and I can party in that. If I do happen to get onto like a meeting or like a professional call or whatever, I think I'll just pop this on.
Ooh, love it. It's a one piece, पता है?
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
With like a blazer vibe, na? So it's
Yeah.
like semi-formal.
Yeah.
It is actually so cute. And then if I want to just do like a brunch, then I'll wear this because I love colors
Yeah.
during like a brunch. So I like this also. And somehow lately I've really started liking green. I feel it's such a rare color. Like rarely people wear this. And I've really started liking the color green.
Fourth situation. Karan's family and your family head out for a family dinner. What would
Baba.
you wear?
So I'll wear this because it's such a cute dress. Why have you got all my sizes? You've got all my sizes only. It's all extra small. So I would wear a nice church going dress with the family. I would pair it up with these nice floral earrings and be the
Love
good
it.
girl that I am.
That you are.
Yeah.
That you are. Yeah, I love what you picked, by the
Yeah.
way. Situation number 5. You're almost locked for a project.
Huh.
Okay? And you're quickly called for a team narration.
Oh,
You have only 5 minutes to get ready. What would you wear?
very easy. Something. I think I would just wear this, I think. That's all I could really.
Need.
Yeah. Yeah, this is also nice. I could actually pair it up with this jacket.
Ooh.
See, I love this. I think it would totally go together. And it
I
would
think
look
so.
Very, very sleek.
It will look very nice. Okay. So now we'll do a small, quick would you rather fashion edition
Okay.
with you. So would you rather wear neon outfits every day or dress in black and white forever?
Dress in black and white forever.
Dress in black and white, but
I
you're
think
wearing
so.
black today.
Yeah, but neon every day? Please, no.
Be overtly dressed.
No offense.
That's आज मैंने ये hide कर दिया.
I don't know, it's actually cool, but you wouldn't wear it every day, would you?
No.
Yeah,
No.
exactly.
No. Be overtly dressed or be minimal to a glam event.
No. I used to be minimal to grand events, but I've lately realized it's better to be overdressed than underdressed, bro. Like,
I totally
telling
agree.
you.
A
I'm
lot
telling
of these
you.
people who say ना the fashion is all about comfort. I want to wear. तो भैया पजामा पहन के चले जाओ. Would you rather wear a runway outfit to a grocery store or a casual outfit to a gala?
Baba, runway outfit.
To a grocery. Sabzi mandi.
It's okay.
Sabzi mandi in a gown.
In a glam.
Glam gown.
Yes.
Wear a leather jacket in summer or a puffer jacket in peak summer.
A leather jacket in summer, I guess.
Wear a mismatched outfit for a week or same outfit for a month. बताइए.
I think same outfit for a month, but I would style it differently every time.
Same outfit for a month?
But I would style it differently every
Oh
every
wow.
day. Yeah.
See, that's fashion.
Yeah.
Wear a top ulta or mismatch your shoes to an event.
No, top ulta is fine.
टॉप उल्टा इज फाइन.
Top.
कभी हुआ है ऐसे गलत गलत जूते पहन ले? लाइक तुमने दो गलत
तुमने दो, हाँ दो, हम दोनों, हाँ क्या गलत, हाँ गलत. No, I love that film. I love Pooh.
I love her too.
She's a goddess.
Yeah, she is.
She's a goddess.
She is. Wear a stunning lehenga which is heavily embroidered or a comfortable sari at your wedding. What
Comfortable sari.
would you want to wear a sari?
I want to wear a sari.
Achha, you don't like
I mean, us as Maharashtrians, we wear saris. I mean, at wedding, in terms of like the fairas, right?
Yeah.
Saris.
sari.
That's,
you have a
that's
color?
how that's how like Maharashtrian people dress up at weddings.
Yeah, but do you have a color that you will particularly wear?
I haven't really thought about it yet. Not the color.
But
Not
sari.
the color.
Wear sneakers or stilettos with your wedding ensemble.
Stilettos first and sneakers later. Is that possible?
कि
Yeah.
पहले पहन लिया फिर उसके बाद
Depends on how many drinks ना अभी हो गया है. Cocktail हो गया शादी अभी cocktail हुआ है क्या? उसके बाद sneakers.
Have your entire wardrobe in one color or never repeat an outfit.
What kind of question is this? This is easy ना. Never repeat an outfit.
Yeah, but a lot of people actually repeat their outfits, so that's why.
No, but the
They don't repeat.
other option was have the entire wardrobe of the same color.
Yeah, there are many people who do it. I know of not same color, matlab 2-3 colors, but there are many big actors who only wear black, blue, and grey. I'm not kidding.
Yeah.
And they look good also in it.
Yeah.
Dress like
Mark Zuckerberg also, I think, just
yeah,
wears,
something like that. Dress like it's the 90s forever or the early 2000s forever.
90s forever.
90s. What? The
No, but
90s.
not early 2000s also.
Early 2000s. Ooh.
Early 2000s.
Early
then.
2000. And with that, we will close this episode of Fashion Fix with Tejasvi Prakash. Thank you so much. It was so much fun to do this because
Yeah.
और आपको जो भी कपड़े चाहिए वो हम आपको मिंत्रा से भिजवा देंगे आप ही के.
Really?
Yeah. They love you. They will send it to you. I
Thank
know
you.
it. I know it.
Thank
That's
you.
why.
Thank you.